Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 GSX-R600. This bike is in beautiful condition. Gorgeous metallic red and white paint scheme. It's got a lot of nice upgrades, CRG levers, bar and weights, Yoshimura frame sliders, an awesome sounding Yoshi pipe, fender eliminator, only 3,600 miles on this gorgeous one owner GSX-R600. It's got wheel tape. This is really a great looking bike. Price to sell quickly, just $74.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.